Before I found online.cars, I had just gotten through a divorce. I was driving a 2006 Nissan Sentra with $12,000 in negative equity. I had just had a repossession and a bankruptcy. My name is Erin. I'm a guest relations manager and I live in Cincinnati, Ohio. So a coworker told me about online.cars and told me how easy it was for her to be able to get into a dependable vehicle. I didn't think I would get approved. I thought there's no way that somebody like me could get into a decent vehicle at a decent monthly payment. I went on the website, took a chance, filled out a pre-qualification form, and got pre-approved. After I was pre-qualified, the online specialist sent me a link to where we confirmed my application. We went over the list of vehicles that I qualified for and went over my payment that fit my budget. They got me into a Chevy Cruze, which was fantastic. And with 18 months worth of on-time payments, I was able to trade that into my dream vehicle, which was a Chevy Silverado. So the best part was that my coworker who referred me to Online Cars was there with me when the glass truck showed up at my front door. My excitement was mind-blowing because I never thought in a million years I would go from a piece of junk vehicle to a brand new Chevy Silverado that I earned myself through this program. It was shiny and sparkly and just white and pretty, and it showed up with a big blue ribbon just like you see on TV. It's hard to believe I went from having a 420 credit score to a credit score now that I'm truly proud of. What I would say to somebody who was thinking about buying a vehicle from Online Cars is you just have to do it. They've got the expertise to be able to show you exactly what you need to do to build your credit and help you improve it to get you your dream vehicle. So even if you're going through a bankruptcy or even just have credit that you're not proud of, check out online.cars. They changed my life and they are truly amazing.